Hi there, this is just a video showcasing one of the brackets I sell for the Technica ATH-M50X. This is a toolless repair for one of the most common issues, which is the hinges that break and prevent you from wearing the headphones as normal. So this is a simple hinge, doesn't require any tools, can be installed in seconds, and the headphones still retain all original functionality. I sell this bracket on my Etsy store. The link will be in the description. I post worldwide, and this will definitely give your headphones a new lease of life. As you can see, all the original functionality is retained. I think the results speak for themselves.